ultimate guide for brides and grooms
is where your unique needs are assessed and a tailored treatment plan is crafted just for you.
Hi there everyone! Welcome to our clinic's ultimate guide for brides and grooms on their pre-wedding aesthetic treatment plans. I'm Dr. E.
I'm Dr. Celine.
And we are here to make sure you look and feel your absolute best on your special day.
That's right, so let's get started.
Alright, start early folks. Give yourself the gift of time by planning ahead. You can opt for gradual, less invasive treatments that lead to more natural results. Please avoid last-minute treatments and aggressive procedures. Rushing can lead to undesirable results or complications. Give yourself time to heal and adjust.
Speaking of personalized plans, a consultation with qualified aesthetic professional is your secret weapon. It's where your unique needs are assessed and a tailored treatment plan is crafted just for you.
Now, let's talk about skincare. A consistent routine is key. Products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and retinol are your friends. They will give you that radiant, healthy glow for your skin.
Don't forget about hydration and nutrition. A balanced diet and staying well hydrated are essential for achieving glowing skin.
That's right.
I would advise patients to load up on lots of antioxidant and omega-3 fatty acids.
You don't need to go under the knife for incredible results. Non-invasive treatments like HydraFacial, silk peels, and microdermabrasion will improve the skin textures and tone without downtime. And for the fine lines, wrinkles, and facial volume loss, HIFU, Orladeyo, Botox, and derma fillers have your back.
If you want to target specific area, consider treatments like cool sculpting and sculpture. They can help you enhance your silhouette and boost your confidence.
Now, let's talk about stress, shall we?
Yeah, of course. Managing stress through technique like meditation, yoga, getting enough of beauty sleep is vital. Your well-being and skin health are intertwined, so don't skip this step. Last but not least, follow post-treatment care instructed by your doctor. This ensures optimal and safe result.
We hope these tips and tricks help you look and feel absolutely fabulous on your big day. Remember, it is all about being the best version of yourself, and our team is here to help you every step of the way. Feel free to reach out to us.
Until next time, stay fabulous and get ready to shine on your wedding day.
Yeah, goodbye.
Bye.